7 days to start your day calm and focused. Day 5. Feel energized and balanced. Welcome to this peaceful morning meditation to awaken balanced energy. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to fully relax. Gently close your eyes and bring awareness to your breathing. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth, letting go of tension. Feel your shoulders soften and your body begin to settle. Allow your breathing to become calm, steady, and natural. With every inhale, invite fresh energy into your body. With every exhale, release heaviness and fatigue. Imagine a warm golden light filling your entire body. This light brings balance, vitality, and emotional calm. Take another deep breath in and feel renewed from within. Exhale slowly and allow stress to drift away. Notice your mind becoming clearer and more focused. Your body is waking up with peaceful, steady energy. Allow yourself to feel grounded and emotionally balanced. You do not need to force the day ahead. You can move through your morning with calm confidence. Take a slow breath in and feel energy rising naturally. Exhale and release any remaining tiredness or doubt. Feel your heartbeat steady, calm, and balanced. Imagine your body and mind working together in harmony. You are creating a strong, peaceful foundation for your day. Allow gratitude to gently rise within your heart. Feel thankful for this new opportunity to begin again. Breathe in motivation and breathe out pressure. You are capable, focused, and emotionally centered. Take another deep breath in and refresh your entire body. Exhale slowly and soften deeper into calm awareness. Notice how your breathing creates balance within your mind. Feel peaceful energy flowing through every part of your body. Allow yourself to enjoy this quiet moment of renewal. Your calmness is becoming stronger with every breath. Your energy is becoming lighter, brighter, and more steady. Trust yourself to move through the day with balance and ease. Take a slow breath in and feel peaceful strength within you. Exhale and let go of any fear or unnecessary stress. Imagine yourself moving through the day feeling calm and energized. You are aligned with clarity, focus, and positive energy. Begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Slowly wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one final deep breath and feeling refreshed and awake. Exhale, fully carrying this balanced energy into your morning. When you are ready, gently open your eyes with a peaceful smile. Move through your day with calm focus and renewed energy. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.